guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this clothes rack. I absolutely love it, guys. I actually got it because I wanted to start hanging up my jackets and my sweaters that I usually wear like on the daily. So I needed something to be able to store all of that. And this is so cool, guys, because it's actually like a 2-compartment. As you can see, the top part holds your sweaters, and then it actually has like a bottom part as well in case you want to hang like other little things like shirts or other sweaters or like sports bra, things like that. I think that's what I am going to end up hanging there. And then in the bottom, it has like this little small compartment here where you can put like shoes. We put like our Crocs there, but you can put like any other type of shoe there as well. Also, it has wheels, which is a cool part. You can just move it around. It's super easy to move around, guys. It's very gentle and soft, so it's not like those rough or tough like wheels. So I really like it. It's super cute. It's actually very tall as well, as you can see. This is how tall it is. Now you can make it shorter, guys. All you will need to do is just take this pole out. As you can see, there's like a little line right there. You could just take it out and then it will make it shorter. But I prefer it this tall because that way I can hang stuff like in the second compartment there. But yeah, this is how it looks, guys. I really love it. I think it's super cute and I would definitely recommend it.